Alright, and welcome back to a new video by the Dash Course platform. My name is Johan and I will be hosting this video. Alright, so in this video we're actually going to do some coding again. It has been a while since I released some coding videos. So in this video we're going to talk about inheritance. So inheritance is a way of coding where we actually reuse parent classes. So for example, let's say we're going to create a class. And the class is going to be stone, okay? And we're going to, open it up. So this stone has a variable of name, and it's going to be a string, like this. The second one is going to be, let's say weight. No, we're not going to do weight. Let's do something else. Let's say type. Yes, let's say type. And the type is also going to be a string. Let's give this an initializer like this. So it's going to be name, it's going to be a string. And second one is going to be type. This is going to be a string like this. And then we have self.name is equal to name. Self.type is going to be equal to type. Okay, so now we have our class stone. What we can do, var rock is equal to stone. And the name, let's say, is amethyst, like this. And the type is a mineral. And what we can do now is print rock.name. So let's run this. As you can see now, we have amethyst here, right? But for example, we want to create a new class. So let's say we do class, and the class is actually going to be amethyst. Right? What we can do, instead of giving this the same variables like name, type, and so on, we can actually do stone, and this way amethyst is able to access the properties of stone, right? So in here we're going to do init, and the initializer is going to be a string. I'm going to open this one up, and now if we want to access the properties of the class, we can actually call super. So super.init, and the name is going to be name, and type in this case is going to be mineral, like this. So let's say we're going to create a variable. So var amethyst. Oh, I wrote it. Probably I'm writing it wrong, but doesn't matter. So amethyst is equal to, you know what? Let's do double point. So it's double point amethyst. Sorry, no, we don't need a double point, we need equal, sorry. So it's equal to amethyst, and we're gonna call the name, and the name is gonna be amethyst. And now when we do print amethyst, and we can actually do name, and we're gonna print the type. So print amethyst.type. And we run this. As you can see now, we actually get the name returned and also the type, because amethyst in this case is a mineral, right? That's what it is. But I think instead of calling this amethyst, we should actually call this mineral, like this. I'm going to change this one to mineral as well, like this. And let's run this again one more time to make sure it works. Okay. So that means that now we have a class of mineral, and the mineral, the type is of the rock, or the stone in this case, is a mineral, right? So let's say we're going to create one more class, and we're going to call this, so we have a stone, we have a mineral, and we have, let's do gem. So we have a gem, and the gem is also going to be stone, and inside, and here we're going to do init, initializer of name, this is going to be a string, and super.init, so name is going to be name, and the type is going to be gems, or gem. Okay, so under here what we can do, so let's say for Ruby is equal to gem, and the name is going to be Ruby, and when we do print Ruby.name, and we do print ruby.type, let's see what happens. Pretty cool. So we also get Ruby and gem returned. And this is exactly what inheritance is. Instead of giving the gem the same properties as for name and type, initializing them, we can actually create a new class of gem. We can initialize the name, and we can actually change the type to gem, and we can actually do other stuff with this. This is 100% what inheritance is, and it's actually, if you think about it, really easy for us as developers. This actually means that when we have like a class of person, that we can actually create multiple classes from that person. So we have a person. Maybe in my case with DevScorch, we have a student class, an admin class, a moderator class, and they all inherit their properties from student, right? There's only one change, in this case, type. So this was a little video about inheritance. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys understand what this is and what it does. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down in the description below or join the Discord channel. Me and my team, or my team and I, actually are always there to help you. And if there's something wrong, just let me know, okay? So, thank you for watching, and I see you next time.